Hello everyone and welcome. Ready to apply for the most prestigious fashion institute of the country, the National Institute of Design. This presentation will briefly guide you with all the details you need to know to apply for your NIFT 2025 entrance exam. Let's get rolling. NIFT is a premium institute of design, management and technology in the field of fashion in India. It was set up in 1986 under the aegis of the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. NIFT was granted statutory status in 2006, empowering it to award degrees. NIFT has 19 campuses with 5,289 seats approximately in all the courses. If you are looking to pursue a career in the fashion industry, then the National Institute of Fashion Technology should be your first choice. There are many famous designers with a national and global presence who have graduated from NIFT. A few of them are mentioned here. NIFT offers the following UG courses across its various campuses. The duration of the UG courses is 4 years. The PG courses offered by NIFT at its various campuses are as below. The duration of the PG courses is 2 years. The National Testing Agency (NTA) has been entrusted by NIFT with the task of conducting the NIFT entrance exam for admissions into UG, PG and PhD programs in the year 2025. Here is the link attached for you to fill the application form. Let's know the eligibility criteria for UG courses. Educational qualification. For the BRDS program, you must be 10+2 in any stream, arts, commerce or science. For BF Tech program, you must be 10+2 in any stream but with mathematics as a compulsory subject. Age limit. The upper age limit for UG program for the year 2025 as on 1st August of the admission year must be 24 years for general category and 29 years for OBC, NCL, SC, ST and PWD category. The eligibility criteria for PG courses for the year 2025 is as below. Educational qualification for MDis and MFM is as follows. Undergraduate degree in any discipline from any institute or university recognized by law in India, or undergraduate diploma of minimum 3 years duration from NIFT or NID. Educational qualification for MF Tech. BF Tech from the National Institute of Fashion Technology, or BE or BTech from any institute or university recognized by law in India, or BF Tech of 4 years from any institute or university recognized by law in India. Age limit for PG courses. There is no age limit for applying for PG courses at NIFT. Let's look at the important dates for this year. Online registration is now open. The last date for online registration is 6th of January 2025. The last date for submission of the application form with the late fee is 9th of January 2025. Window to edit, update the application form is between 10th to 12th of January 2025. Please check the website for when the admit card can be downloaded. The date of examination is 9th of February 2025. Results of the entrance exam can be checked as per the announcement on the website that will be made later. A link is attached for your reference. Moving on to the application fee details. The application fee has to be paid through the online payment gateway on the NIFT admissions website. For BDS, BF Tech, MFM and MDes for Open OBC NCL, Open EWS category, the application fee is Rs 3,000. If you are applying for 2 programs, the application fee is 4,500 rupees. For BDes, BF Tech, MFM and MDes, SC, ST, PWD category, the application fee is Rs 1,500. If you are applying for 2 programs, the application fee is 2,250. Applicants are required to keep the following details and scanned copy of the documents ready before applying: an email ID for registration and for receiving all further correspondence till the admission process is over, a mobile number to receive SMS-based notifications, communications related to the online application, admit card, etc. till the admission process is over, Aadhaar card number for the candidate, mobile linked with Aadhaar card number, a recent scanned passport size color photograph for scanning and uploading in JPEG format only. The file size of the scanned photograph should not be more than 200 KB. Your signature using a blue or a black pen on a white sheet for scanning and uploading in JPEG, JPG, PNG, BMP or GIF format only. File size of the scanned photograph should not be more than 30 KB. Access to an online payment facility service such as net banking, credit card, ATM or debit card or UPI. Qualifying degree certificate or last semester mark sheet. Undertaking result awaited certificate if applicable. Category certificate, EWS certificate if applicable. Person with disability, PWD certificate or UDID if applicable. Please check Annexure 4 to 11. There are 82 exam centers from which you can choose. Please refer to Annexure 3. Remember the following. Read the information bulletin and admissions guidelines carefully. Non-compliance with instructions may lead to disqualification. The application process is online only via the official NTA website. Candidates should submit one application only. Multiple applications will be rejected. Communication. All communication will be sent via email and SMS to the registered contact details. How to apply online? Step 1. Registration. Go to the official NTA website. The link is attached here. Register using a unique email ID and mobile number. Ensure both are yours only. This information will be used for all further communication regarding the exam. Filling out the application form. You would require to fill in your personal information, educational qualifications, choice of exam cities. You will be required to upload the following documents also mentioned earlier. Payment of application fee. You can pay the application fee through net banking, debit or credit card or UPI. Keep a proof of payment for further reference. Important reminder. No request for a refund will be entertained by NTA under any circumstances. Ensure that step 3 is completed to avoid form rejection. After successful payment, download and print the confirmation page. Keep it safely for further reference. If the confirmation page is not generated, contact the bank payment gateway integrator as per the details in the information bulletin. Please make a note. Information like name, contact details, category, etc. will be treated as final once submitted. No request for corrections will be entertained after submission. Double payment. If a duplicate payment occurs, NTA will refund the extra amount after reconciliation. Refer to Annexure 1 for payment details. No changes to submitted information will be accepted after the correction period ends. Regularly check the NTA website and your email inbox for updates. The NTA will use the provided email and mobile number to send all important notifications. The NTA handles registration, exam conduct, answer key finalization, and result processing in collaboration with NIFT. Please ensure the following. You have registered correctly with your own email and mobile number. All documents are properly scanned and uploaded. You have paid the fee and received the confirmation page. Let's move on to understanding the UG exam pattern. BRDS exam is conducted in two stages. Stage 1 is the written test, which has the creative ability test called CET. The duration is 3 hours and the total marks are 100. The mode is paper and pen. Second is the general ability test. The duration is 2 hours and the total marks are 100. The mode is CBT, computer-based test. Stage 2 involves the situation test, which includes 3D model making, and the total marks are again 100. BF Tech exam has only one stage, the GAT, and the final admission is on the GAT score. The duration is 3 hours and the total marks are 100. The mode is CBT. The exam pattern for UG is as follows. The creative ability test will involve assessment of drawing and design. The questions will assess the candidate's observation, concept development, design ability, color and illustration skills. The general ability test will be MCQ based, and there will be different sections on communication ability, English comprehension, quantitative ability, analytical ability, general knowledge and current affairs. The situation test will involve material handling and innovative ability on a given situation with a given set of materials. The exam weightage for UG is as follows. The objective type tests will have negative marking. 1 mark will be given for every right answer and 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. The MDIS exam is also conducted in two stages. Stage 1 will include the CAT and GAT. The creative ability test will have a duration of 2 hours and the total marks will be 100. The mode will be paper and pen. The general ability test will have a duration of 2 hours and the total marks will be 100. The mode will be CBT. Stage 2 will involve personal interview. MF Tech and MFM exams will be conducted in two stages. Stage 1 will involve general ability test. The duration will be 3 hours and the total marks will be 100. The mode will be CBT. Stage 2 will involve personal interview. The written test for MDIS will involve CAT. The questions will have a similar assessment pattern as for BRDS. The GAT for MF Tech, MFM and MDIS will include MCQs and case studies. This will comprise of different sections including communication ability, English comprehension, quantitative ability, analytical and logical ability, general knowledge and current affairs. The personal interview for MF Tech, MFM and MDIS will evaluate the candidate based on career orientation, aptness for the course, personal achievements, communication and general awareness and thinking. The exam weightage for UG is as follows. Bhanwar Rathore Design Studio is the leader in entrance coaching for design, arts and architecture programs. The founder and director of the institute is Mr. Bhanwar Rathore, an alumnus of NIFT. The entire teaching curriculum is developed under his guidance. BRDS has more than 10,000 selections in NIFT since 2005. BRDS has more than 10,000 selections in NIFT since 2005. 2,207 BRDS students are selected in NIFT in 2024. This is our best performance in the last 2 decades at NIFT. BRDS result is the highest as compared to any coaching institute in India. All India rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and many more in NIFT 2024 are BRDS students. 92 students are in top 100. Make sure to pursue our preparation course today and clear the entrance exam with flying colors. We welcome you to join our preparation courses. Option 1 is regular or weekend classroom coaching. Option 2 is live online coaching till entrance exam. Option 3 is online coaching or self-study material. You can connect with us. Please log on to www.rathoredesign.com or www.brdsindia.com or call us on 98250 57598. Thank you for watching. We wish you all the best for your NIFT exam preparation.